Well, hello everybody. Today we're making slow cooker short ribs. And I'm going to make them, and I've got them browning in the, you can hear them sizzling here. I've got them browning in the olive oil with a little salt and a little flour around them so we could get a nice color on them. So we're going to let them brown for a little bit. And while we're talking, the short ribs comes from the chuck part that they cut off at the butcher shop. I used to cut them all the time when I was butchering. And so these slow cooker short ribs are going to have some vegetables I've cut already. The carrot, the celery, and an onion. And then we're going to put, once we get them brown, we're going to put some nice beef broth and a good cup and a half of dark red wine. We want wine in this. It's very important to have some wine. So let's take a look and see how these are going in here. Okay, we're getting a good brown on them. So we're going to turn them up on their side so we can get the sides. We'll turn them up with my little handy dandy tongs here. And there they go. There they go. We're getting to brown, and then we're going to flip them over and get the other side. Come on, there you go. Okay, so we're going to get that, and then we'll turn them over and get the other side. So here at Carpizzo's, we like to show you all different types of cooking methods, and this is just one of them. And so we're going to finish browning these off, and we'll be right back. And I will show you how we assemble this and turn it on to slow cook it. So we'll see you in just a few. Yes, there we have it. So now we're nice and browned and we are ready to assemble our items. Okay? All right. So first what I'm going to do is put a little salt on top. Little salt, so we have a little salt. If we need more later when we're making the sauce, we will do that. And then we're going to put our vegetables right on top. Right on top. See how nice they are? Okay, right on top they are. And then right on top of that, this is really simple. You pour right on top of that your wine. I have a little bit of tomato paste. I have beef broth in here. And that way, they're already covered. All right, so all we have to do now is close the lid. I close the lid and set it, and we're going to cook it either on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 6 hours on high if you like to cook that way. So there we have it. And later we will show you how this comes out and what it tastes like. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. Please like, share, and go ahead and become one of our members and subscribe to YouTube. So this is Pete. We thank you very much. Out.